Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and excuse my voice because I've been screaming at an exhibition for about a week. So yeah, and I want to wish everyone a very happy Navratri. And for those of you who it's like guessing that I'm from Pakistan or I'm from Punjab, sorry brothers, you're wrong. I'm from Gujarat and this is our festival, and yes, nothing gets us Gujaratis high like Garba. So it's a very exciting time for us, and so today I'm going to do a tutorial on a Navratri look. So keep on watching. First of all, we are gonna prime our skin using the Wet n Wild base primer. Once you're done with the primer, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighter in the shade Halo Gorgeous. I'm going to take 2 dips of this on my hand, and I'm going to mix it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade Soft Beige. I'm just going to take 1 dip of this, mix it up, and apply it on my face. As you all know, since this is too matte for me, I like to add a highlighter to it and use it on my face. Okay, once done with the foundation, I am going to take this Catrice liquid camouflage high coverage concealer in the shade 010 porcelain. This is actually too light for me, so I'm just gonna use it. Okay, once done with that, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette and use this shade and apply it where I've applied the concealer. Also, the concealer that I used is waterproof, so make sure you use such products that do not budge off your skin. I also applied the concealer to my eyelids, so I'm just gonna put this powder over there as well. And about the rest of the face, as I said, I don't use compacts, so I'm going to use this Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder very lightly. And that's it. Okay, next, taking the same contouring palette, I'm going to take this Okay, next I'm taking this Inglot eyeshadow in shade 335, and I'm going to apply it to my crease, above the crease I mean. Next I'm just going to take this Tartelette palette and take this shade Dreamer, which is like a brown, dark brown shade, and put it into the corner, like the outer V. I'm going to take the same shade Dreamer and apply it to my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Volume Mascara. You can even add an eyeliner if you want to, but I'm just going to apply a mascara. Next, I'm going to wear this lip color, and I don't know which shade is it. It's from Ferrero Rocher, but unfortunately the writings are just gone. It's like a dark plum. Okay, next I'm taking this Metal Chrome blush by Essence and applying it as my highlighter. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you all have a great Navratri, and of course like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.